When you're not using the machine in between lifts or break times, don't leave the machine standing on its suction pads on the panel. The pads, if you do that, the suction pad seals will get over compressed and they may not achieve suction when you come to use it again. So when you're not using the machine, we provided some stands, and we'll show you how to use those, which will allow you to leave the machine fully configured but back in its cradle in between lifts. I'm just going to demonstrate that to you now. So these are the two stands. They simply locate into the cradle. There's a tension chain that goes at the front, second at the back. We're now just going to lower the machine into these saddles, for want of a better word. We're just going to, if you just see what Neil's doing there, we're just pulling some spare hose through to make sure we don't trap those hoses. Okay, so that's located into the two saddles, and the final thing to do is use the securing chain to clip on the front of the machine. That stops the machine falling backwards. So that's the ideal way to store the machine between lifts overnight when you're charging it. It keeps the suction pads clear of any surfaces, keeps them clean and uncompressed. The machine is upright, it's perfect for charging, and rainwater can't get into the cabinet when it's upright like that. So please look after the machine, make sure you use these stands and these cradles to store it until you finish completely the machine, and then it can be packed away as per the video I showed you at the beginning. So a couple of final points. The seals in the suction pads are changeable. There are spare seals with the machine. If you tear a seal, if you catch it on anything, it needs to be replaced. The instructions are in the instruction manual how to do that. We also have a short video we can send you for that, or you can call us and we'll talk it through. Any other problems, any other questions you may have at any stage, please call us and we can actually do a WhatsApp video at the time you're using the machine. Thanks for your attention.